Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week exclusive love reading plus career reading. My monthly reading for the month of June has already been uploaded on my channel. Please click on the video section and find your signs reading. So if you are a sun, moon, rising Leo, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You've got the one of stars and the temperance card. You could be dealing with an Aries sun, moon, rising. I do see that you're hoping for a reunion, you're hoping for a victory, and bravo, you're going to get that this week. I do see someone from your past coming back around, whether you are in a marriage and there were problems, you were not talking to your ex in a relationship, or even if you're single or situationship. Somebody from your past is definitely trying to enter back, but when they do, please do not get overexcited. Do not get too emotional. Ask them these questions like, are you giving me what I want? Commitment, stability, marriage, whatever your expectations was, loyalty. If this person did not give you back then, if they are ready to give you, then only it makes more sense to take them back. Otherwise, there is no point. If they apologize, if they confess their feelings, sure, take them back. But if they are still not ready, if they are still not there, there's no point. Because otherwise, Leos, you're going to get hurt again. Okay, so please make sure balance needs to be maintained in your emotions. You do not have to get angry or really sad or really emotional about this situation. Also, there's a need for you to adapt. Like whenever you are going to reconcile with a person, you have to make sure that you are being flexible and not very rigid. That means that person could have changed, you could have changed, their or your priorities could have changed, the circumstances could have changed, money situation, children in the picture now, or you have to adjust with the in-laws. Whatever your different situation is, you have to understand that you have to adapt to today's circumstance. How you got married or how you started your relationship with that person or what happened 10 years or 5 years ago doesn't matter. So try to adapt to the present circumstances to make your life smoother. Let's see what is happening in your career now. You've got the five of spades and the one of sons. Here I do see that in the past some really bad things have happened to you in your career, like the deal that you were holding on to or waiting on did not come through, or you were asked to leave a job, or you left a job and you could not find a job. You could have been jobless for a while, or the kind of money or promotion you were waiting for did not come through, right? So you have faced multiple rejections and losses in your career, which has made you the kind of person that you are today, which is a person who's lacking self-esteem, lacking confidence, right? This is not you. This is what the circumstances has made. A lot of people could have also tried to bring you down or put blame on you or defame you in some way, right? That is also coming into picture, like you were being attacked by multiple people and nobody believed in you, nobody trusted you, and that has really shaken you up, right? That has really hurt you. Now always remember to trust yourself no matter what the world says. This is your time. So second week is going to be good for all of you who have faced such criticism in the past. This is a card of go ahead, right? Go ahead and go forward, like you can just cannot fail. So this is a card of you who wants to try and apply to a new job or want to start a new business or again wait for that deal, right? Apply for that deal or apply for that college or university or examination, whatever that area is for you. I do see that. Go ahead, give it a try. Just like it is almost like you cannot fail. So what will you do in your career? What all will you want to do if you know that you're not going to fail this time, right? So go ahead, be confident, trust yourself, give your best, work hard, study hard, and give it your all. I do see that this week is going to bring you a lot of luck. A lot of your dreams have the potential of coming through this week. So this week looks great for you. Somebody comes from the past, you were waiting on that person, and new deals or new areas open up for you. So good job, guys. You have come a long way. So do not lose hope, do not lose confidence, and march ahead. If you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know which exactly the situation you're going through. I will be reading your comments, liking them, and I will try to reply to each one of you. Apart from this was a general reading. If you have any specific question which was not covered in this reading, you can always book a personal reading with me. If you have love related questions, you can book that, or you can separately book an Oracle love reading, which is for no contact exclusively, or Mystic Red Rose love reading to understand your question or situation better, connection better, or to know that if the partner loves you or not. Both the readings are very cheap, and I have different packages available. If you have multiple questions you want to ask, one question is not enough, then I have packages available where I will also give you free remedy as to what is exactly blockage, uh, what is exactly blocking your love life or your career. Let's say if you're single, then I have a singles package. For love situation people, I have a different package which includes situationship, married or relationship. And also for career people who are career oriented, I have a different package. Lastly, I do have spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you are in need of that kind of guidance, you or any friend or family of yours, you can advise them as well to take this spiritual counseling session. This will help them bring positivity, open up, share their secrets which they have not been able to do with the family and friends because they cannot trust them, or they are just not comfortable, right? We all have that kind of situation where it is just not easy for us to open up to our own loved ones. So you can always come to me, you can share your burdens, you can choose audio or video call, half an hour or 1 hour call according to your convenience, your budget. And with the help of your angels, I'm going to give you a free remedy here as well. So every package and every spiritual counseling session will have a free remedy worth rupees 251. Okay, that's the blockage removal remedy. And if you think you're very stuck in your life, you don't want to go for that kind of price, you only want to book a blockage removal remedy, then you can book it right away. Full moon is coming, so this is a very correct time to start any ritual. Okay. Apart from this, I have millions of other services, not millions, but many other which I might have missed, like Bailey ritual and other rituals. So please go and check the description box. And to book any reading, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram, because like this, I won't be able to give you out, verbally all the services. They are mentioned there along with the prices. Every day I post in my stories what services, what prices, what discounts, what new services are being launched on my channel, so that you guys are updated. Okay. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.